Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on natural gas. NYMEX natural gas price still affected by the negative pressure represented by holding below the bullish channel resistance at $2.98 level. In addition, break in its nearby support at $2.75 level, expected downside target till $2.44 and $2.25 level indicate short-term trend is bearish. MCX natural gas price has started forming lower high lower low formation signals for the weakness in upcoming trading session. However, any break below 233 level, which act as a key support, will drag the price further down till 223 and 215 level in near term. On the way up, key resistance hold at 251 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.